In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a title block template in AutoCAD. A title block is the frame, project information, and standard notes that appear on your sheets. Using a ready-made template keeps everything consistent and saves time. And the fastest way to bring one into your drawing is with AutoCAD's Design Center. Start by going to the command line and typing Add Center or Design Center, then press Enter. You can type it in uppercase or lowercase. Both commands do the same thing. The command line is usually along the bottom of your AutoCAD window, and it's where AutoCAD listens for instructions. As soon as you confirm the command, the Design Center window will appear. Design Center is like a library browser for your content. It lets you explore blocks, layers, layouts, and more from other drawings without fully opening them. For title blocks, we'll use it to browse predefined sheet resources. In the Design Center window, look to the folder list on the left. Navigate to Sheet Sets, then choose the sheet set type that matches your project standards. You might see options that reflect different disciplines or units, such as architectural or mechanical, metric or imperial. The exact list depends on what's installed on your system or provided by your company standards. Take a moment to pick the one you want, so your title block formatting, scales, and fields align with the rest of your project. Once you've found the sheet set and the specific title block or layout you want, simply drag and drop it into AutoCAD. Dragging from the Design Center into your drawing area tells AutoCAD to open or reference that content. When it opens, you can copy the title block into your own drawing. Use your usual selection and placement approach to position it cleanly inside the layout. If your workflow involves multiple drawings or tabs, just bring the content in and paste or place it into the target file so it becomes part of your current project. After the title block is in, give it a quick check. Make sure it lands in paper space if that's how your sheets are set up, and that its scale, line weights, and layers look correct in your current drawing. If your organization uses fields for automatic text, verify that project details update as expected, and that's all there is to it. By using AD Center to navigate to sheet sets, selecting the sheet set type you want, and dragging the title block into AutoCAD, you can quickly copy it into your own drawing and standardize your sheets with minimal effort.